Got a Ferrari 458. Got a dead battery. It won't start. So I'm helping my friend change this out. Should be pretty easy. It's located down in the passenger side footwell down there. And I think it's toolless, but we're about to find out. So if you ever have to do one of these on your own, you can actually get this battery for pretty cheap. We got this one for under $200. That's a perfect fit for this Ferrari. This connector here is where the Ferrari charger plugs in, and this little access panel here is where we're gonna find the battery. There it is. We just got this one bracket down here holding the bottom of the battery in. The negative terminal is a quick disconnect. The positive looks like a 10mm nut. You spin off. I think once you get these terminals off, this thing just slides right out of here. Whole battery's out. It's a little tricky removing this in such a tight quarters, and you don't want to damage any of the interior, but new one's going back in. Alright, new battery's in. That wasn't too hard. Snaking it in and getting this terminal on was a little tricky, but once it's in, it's in. This is solid. Not going anywhere. So let's try starting this thing. There we go. Battery light's gone. Wanted to start. Yeah. So there you go, guys. Not too hard, and I thought it'd be pretty cool to show how to work on a Ferrari, even though this was pretty easy. But the reason we wanted to get this running is because we wanted to take it to a local car meet called Gears and Grinds, and I got some clips of that for you guys right now. Good morning, everybody. Out here at Gears and Grinds, out in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're outside the Baguette Cafe, El Dorado Cantina. And it's the first one of the year. Got a bunch of cars here. We got Zenith and Opticlear. It's where I work. We're representing. Got about 4 cars. couple Ferraris behind me, and Lamborghini Aventador SV. So let's kind of walk around, take a look at what we got going on. So this is pretty badass. I got a aerial Atom right here. I've never seen one of these in person before. I've only ever seen it on Top Gear. These things just like rip super fast. Open concept, so you need a helmet to drive it. It's kind of intense. So all in all, it was a pretty cool car meet. It was pretty fun driving at 458. Like always, thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Thanks.